Hello, students. Today, let's have the summary of Unit 10 in Moments The Beggar by Anton Chekhov. Some points about the author. Anton Chekhov was a Russian playwright and short story writer who is considered to be among the greatest writers of short fiction in history. His career as a playwright produced four classics, and his best short stories are held in high esteem by writers and critics. The Beggar is the story of the transformation of a beggar into a good person. The behavior of a woman made him leave alcohol and lead a good life. Sergei is a well to do advocate. One day, a beggar comes to his door. His name is Leshkov. He has dull, drunken eyes. The beggar claims that he has been a village school teacher, but he has to lose his job because of some conspiracy planned against him. So he is bound to beg in order to survive. Sergei recalls that he had seen the beggar the other day in another street. There he had said that he was a student who had been expelled. The lawyer is angry with the beggar for telling lies. He threatens him to hand over him to the police for trying to cheat people. Leshkov soon breaks down and admits that he has been telling lies to make people take pity on him. He also tells Sergei that, in fact, he had been in a choir from where he was sent away for drunkenness. Finding no way to support himself, he started begging. Sergei offers him the job of chopping the wood. He calls his cook Olga and tells her to lead Leshkov to the woodshed and let him chop wood. Leshkov follows Olga reluctantly. In fact, he had never meant to do such type of work, but he had been trapped by his own words. After an hour, Olga comes in and tells Sergei that Leshkov has chopped the wood. Sergei is pleased. He gives him half a ruble. He says that if Leshkov desires, he can come to chop wood on the first of every month. Leshkov now comes to chop wood regularly on the first of every month. He is always given work and he earns a little money every time. Meanwhile, Sergei moves into another house and asks Leshkov to help in the packing and shifting the furniture. He hardly does anything and walks behind the wagons hanging his head. But Sergei believes that he has done his job well and pays him accordingly. Eventually, he offers Leshkov some cleaner employment. He sends him to his friend where he is given some copying to do. Leshkov never comes back again. 2 years later, one evening, Sergei comes across Leshkov at the ticket window of a theatre. He is well dressed and looks sophisticated. He tells Sergei that he is a notary and gets 35 rubles a month. Sergei is happy that he could bring a depraved man on the right path. Leshkov thanks him for his kind words and deeds. He also expresses his gratitude to him. Before departing, he reveals that the true credit for changing him goes to his compassionate cook Olga, who did a lot for him. She chopped the wood for him and gave him the money. She would scold him and she would weep for him. She gave him advice on the evils of alcohol. It is she who is responsible for positive change in him. Owing to her words and noble deeds, a change took place in his heart. He stopped drinking and started working hard. She set him right and he will never forget it. What is the theme of the story, The Beggar? The first one is The transformation of a depraved alcoholic through kindness, compassion, and selflessness. And the second one is gratitude. Thank you.